When you think of Turtle Beach, it's usually headsets because that's what they've been known for. However, that's all about to change with the release of the Atom mobile controller. Now, to be fair, I'm not sure what to expect, but the photos of this controller look pretty darn nice. I also went with the red color on this purchase, and I've reviewed quite a few of these controllers over the years, so I can give you my straight up opinion on if this one is worthy of a purchase. Okay, so let's unbox it. All right, and dang, yeah, the design on this controller looks even better than the stock photos. And basically, from what I can see, the way this works is you place your phone in the center, similar to a Nintendo Switch or a backbone controller. However, while most other companies have opted to connect the left and right halves with a spring mechanism to lock the phone in place, Turtle Beach has made the left and right sides independent of each other. And since the left and right halves are completely separate from each other, this makes it possible to fit phones of almost any size without fighting to stretch the controller and squeeze your phone into it. Instead, the left and right halves both connect independently using their own clamp, which is really nice. Now, if you've ever owned a mobile controller in the past and you have a bigger phone, maybe you run into some problems, but you're not going to have that with this Atom controller. Okay, and before we actually test this controller out, I think that what separates the Atom from other mobile controllers is using the same layout. Besides that, it resembles most other controllers with analog stick and buttons in similar places, but I also need to point out that the controller is quite thick, just holding it right now, although it's actually very lightweight. If you have large hands, then the Atom will rest comfortably in them. However, the backside could use some texture to add additional grip, but not too big of a deal. Okay, now that we've basically unboxed this, we may need to actually test it out playing a couple different games since we haven't done that yet. But as far as the overall design and the fact that it's going to fit any phone makes my quick review on this a solid buy. I also really need to say that the design is completely unique and they didn't copy any other mobile controller makers like Backbone or Razer, and I really appreciate that. Of course, as we get into some gameplay, we'll have some resources below in the description for more detailed specs and pricing on the Atom. For now, let's run it.